Hello everyone, I am Elias Mutale, current office manager at the African Diaspora Association of the Maritime. On behalf of the board of directors, I am pleased to invite you to our African Mobilization event taking place on Saturday, May 26, starting at 11 a.m. at Bethany United Church on Joseph Howe Drive. It is a special event to bring together people of African descent to dialogue about the needs and challenges facing all of us as we live in the diaspora. Because as the UN tells us, Africa is the second largest provider of professional human power worldwide, second only to Asia. That being the case, there is a lot of strength in the house that we want to harness for the good of our people, both here in the diaspora as well as in the motherland. It's an opportunity to discuss every idea out there that will help the community grow here in the diaspora. So you have opportunity to take part through panel discussion and a town hall format meeting so that every good idea out there can be harnessed for the good of our people. It is happening on May 26th at 2669 Joseph Howe Drive, Bethany Memorial Church. The time is 11 a.m. So let's get together and make this work. So you are invited to bring all your friends in the community so that we can enjoy a wonderful afternoon of sharing ideas and enjoying good food at the same time. This is one event you must not miss. So make plans to come. For more information, please call the office at 902-404-3670. Alternatively, you can send an email to information@adamns.com. You can also go to the website at www.adamns.com and you will find more information there. Adam, our community, your community, let's get together.